This video is based on footage provided by the NEA Reports channels. Please be sure to check the description below, visit their channels, and give them full credit for this content.
Hey, where's she at? We need to do this question. Who has a gun? Where is he? Okay. Where is he? He's in his house? Who has a gun?
We got a male inside with the female and he shot her. Head to the back.
Gotcha.
Show your hands right now. Hands up. Hands up. Step out.
Put your hands up.
I don't give a damn. Step out here. Oh, dude, I got back surgery.
Put your hands up.
I'm back surgery. Dude, you ain't got to do that shit. I got back surgery. Didn't I just tell you I got back surgery?
I'm telling you, put your hands on your bag.
I ain't gonna do nothing, but don't hold. You ain't gotta hold me down like that.
Take it.
No,
Let's go.
let's
go.
Quit pushing me.
Let's go.
When you quit pushing
I'm not pushing you. Walk. Let's go.
Hey, stay out here.
Let's go or I'm going to push you. Let's go. Let's go. Now.
When you quit doing it, I told you.
Let's go.
I don't mean no harm. I know I messed up. Those words came from a man sitting in the back of a patrol car, hands cuffed, voice shaking. Minutes earlier, he had fired a gun inside his own home. The woman he shot was his wife. I don't mean no harm. I know I messed up. Those words came from a man sitting in the back of a patrol car, hands cuffed, voice shaking. Minutes earlier, he had fired a gun inside his own home. The woman he shot was his wife. Separating witnesses for individual statements, including a witness in a pink jacket who told police she was inside the house when the shooting happened. Say it a third time once he has read his Miranda rights in the back of a patrol unit, and it sounds like the beginning of a criminal case that will now move from a living room to a courtroom. Here is the ticking clock question worth sitting with. How many "he shows another side" warnings happen in homes across this country before someone finally calls 911? This case did not begin with a gunshot. It began long before that, in small warning signs other people noticed and could not stop.
Oh, my glasses.
Look.
Will you please get my glasses?
I will get your glasses. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Hey. Hey. Let's go.
Will you quit treating me like that?
Let's go.
What God damn? I don't care. When you quit, I can't do this.
Either you or walk or I'm going to drag you.
No,
So let's go.
Don't do that. I'ma still do what I gotta do.
Someone get me a medication.
See,
Let's go.
it don't. Will you please tell me?
Turn around, sit down, or I'm going to push you in here. Sit down.
Don't do that.
Sit down.
I am gonna sit down, but don't
Let's
do
go.
it. Shit, it is still what it is. I don't care. It's over with. Oh, goddamn. Will you please, take... I don't care about that. I ain't got nothing. I'm tired. Will you just take the cuffs Yeah.
Slide in.
I'm trying to. I can't. God damn. Will you loosen the cuff?
No, sir.
Fuck.
In the back of my car.
Did you search him?
Yep.
Okay. Go in and make sure Faith doesn't need anything. Anywhere else, honey?
No, I just needed a med kit, but he has it.
Okay.
I was gonna use gauze to try to back, but I mean that's all. You know where he put the gun at?
There's this gun right here.
Okay. Is that the gun he shot you with?
Yeah, it's my gun.
It's your gun. Okay. Who is he to you?
Well, it is, man.
Your husband. Okay.
Alright, you don't hurt anywhere else? Just the chin.
Yeah.
Alright, ready? Move all this out of the way. Get out of there. Okay. Honey, I'm gonna have you sit up for me, okay?
There you go, good.
The apartment's clear.
The one under here.
We got the suspect in custody.
Yeah, he's in my car.
And here's the gun. Somebody secure the gun.
Alright, hey, what? You got gloves? Anybody got gloves? I got gloves.
Alright, hey, I got them shit it out. Okay, hang on. Hey, go ahead.
The legal reality here is simple, and it matters. Under most state domestic violence statutes, a firearm discharged inside a shared residence during a domestic dispute typically triggers enhanced charges, not just assault, but aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, and in many jurisdictions, an automatic no-contact order the moment charges are filed. Miranda rights, which officers read him on scene. Now picture that same photo, torn, thrown against a wall, glass shattered on the floor. That is the visual anchor for this entire case. A home turned into a crime scene in under 1 hour. Before we go deeper into what the body cam footage actually shows, make sure you're subscribed to Police Misconduct Case, because we don't just cover the story, we follow the evidence. Here is what the dispatch call sounds like on paper. Subject in the house with a gun. 6 words. Flat. Procedural. Almost boring. But behind those 6 words was a woman named Faith, ducking behind furniture while bullets moved past her. The gap between the calm language of a police radio and the terror inside that house, that gap is where this story lives. Officers arrived to find the front room destroyed, a speaker box thrown, personal items scattered across the floor. Faith would later tell police the night began normally. Music, drinks, her daughter and the daughter's father just back from a school dance. Then, she said, alcohol changed him. He'd get to drinking. He'd show another side.
We was all sitting there. My daughter and her dad had just come back from the father-daughter dance. So I left. They were already arguing.
What do you know they were arguing about?
Yes. He get to drinking. He show another side of him. When I came back, stuff was tore off the wall. Stuff was tore off the wall. He had threw our speaker box. You know, we had been drinking and listening to music like we always do.
Right.
I noticed that stuff was thrown around. So we was all talking, and I told my daughter, I said, he is tripping out.
Okay.
That's what I said, come over here. She was saying something to him. I was saying something to him. He got upset. All of a sudden, he went in the room. He come out with the gun. Pop, 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 pop.
So he wasn't aiming at anybody. He just started.
He shot at me first.
Okay.
But I ducked, and I ran out the house.
Okay.
The girl that was beside me is the heavyset girl over there.
Okay.
Her daughter was sitting on the couch next to me.
Okay.
We all ran out the house. We ran out the house.
What's your name, love?
Do it all the time. And I always tell her, don't let this man hurt you. You know, that's her husband, so it's only so much we can say.
Right.
But he get upset with her sometimes. He push her around. I so bad. I told her, I said, I'm not going to disrespect your husband in our house. But he gets so bad.
Hang on a second, okay?
Yeah.
Hey, she's gonna be fine. She's gonna be fine, okay? She's gonna be fine. I understand.
She love me. I'm here with her every day. I see what's going on. I know what's going to happen. He was trying to kill me.
Hey, I need you to go back across the street over there with the other lady, okay? I'll be right back. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
I'm Miranda him already. Roll your back window up. I had it going up.
All right. Anything you can use me with? Anything you guys can use me with out there? For anything? Sorry. For anything?
No. Hey, before you leave, have you got any information from anybody else?
I got
who it is.
the younger.
That is what Faith told the young girl in the room, trying to calm her down before things escalated further. It didn't work. According to Faith's statement, the man went into another room and came back holding a firearm. He fired. She ran. A bullet struck her. He was trying to kill me. That is the moral refrain of this case. Say it once, and it sounds like an accusation. Say it again once the gun is recovered and confirmed to be his own registered weapon, and it sounds like evidence. A quiet warning, repeated by everyone who knew him. This was not sudden. This was a pattern finally reaching its breaking point. He is tripping out. Exist for one reason: to protect the integrity of any statement he makes from this point forward, admissible or not, in the case that is now being built against him. Officers on scene treated the aftermath with procedure, not spectacle. Securing the weapon, documenting the injury to Faith's chin.
Girl in the pink jacket, I got her information. I was able to talk to her.
What relation is she to her?
She said that's just her friend, but she was inside the house.
What happened?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Are you still here on scene?
10-4.
Do you have the 15?
10-4. I'm taking him to the 81.
Okay, hurry up and get him out of here.
I'm not going to. Ooh, I ran right over that trash can. Don't lie about it.
If somebody's free, you can get a patrol car to block off Drake and Hoover, so no more cars can get down here.
Okay. Okay.
Same for Word and Drake. We need a patrol car down there.
Something got in my throat.
167 still in Cuba.
Go ahead.
You get to the 81, just stay in the car until the detective gets up there and he'll speak with you, get him out and everything.
10-4. So.
Is the gun help?
Is she okay?
Copy.
Hey, Reynolds. I got a fill in for you if you want to take that witness. Yeah, more 113. He's going to swing around to grab the witness.
Every one of those steps exists to build a record that cannot be argued with later. He was trying to kill me. By the time he gave his full name to police, Leroy Starks, the emotional chaos of the night had already been reduced to a booking sheet. Name, date of birth, a number that will follow him through the court system.
You gonna walk this time, or am I gonna have to drag you?
Look, you ain't gotta be dragging me.
Okay, well then, come on.
I'm being honest. Look, my hands is numb. Just
Let's
do what
go.
you got. Look, do what you do.
Let's go.
Girl, look, you ain't gotta do that. I told you, you ain't gotta do that. My hands is numb. Will you please help me? Thank you, that's all I ask. I don't mean no harm. I know I was fucked up. You feel me?
Yeah, come on. Let's go to this door.
Girl, this shit ain't you. Will you just please?
Let's go.
Come on. I fucked up, I know. But I'm tired, okay? You hear me? Mm-hmm. I know. I know. You know it too, didn't you? I did too. Will you just please get these cuffs off me?
We will in a second. Sit to the left. Right here. Sit on this bench. Yeah.
It just hurt.
What is all this you got on?
Probably phone.
You can have a seat. What's your first and last name?
Huh?
Your first name?
Leroy.
Leroy?
Leroy.
Leroy?
Capital.
What's your last name?
Stars.
Starnes?
Starks.
What's your middle name?
I have
Okay, what's your date of birth?
60.
That is how the law works. It does not care how loud the room was. It cares what can be proven. He was trying to kill me. The court filing connected to this arrest is a public record. We encourage you to look up the case docket yourself and read the charging document in full. Verify what we've laid out here against the primary source, the way any real investigation should be done. Here is the question we want you to answer in the comments. When someone says, "I know I messed up," after pulling a trigger, does that count as remorse? Or does it come only after someone else survives long enough to make him face it? If this case moved you, like this video, share it, subscribe to Police Misconduct Case, and turn on notifications, because we will keep following the evidence, one public record at a time.